Southwestern Pennsylvania's manufacturing sector has almost 3,000 manufacturing establishments that employ 90,000 people. It's a very important sector to our local economy. Catalyst Connection's an economic development organization. We work with small and medium-sized manufacturers right here in southwestern Pennsylvania, and we provide them with a variety of services: consulting, technical assistance, training, capital assistance, anything that they might need to grow their business and create family-sustaining jobs.
These are family-owned businesses. Making a big investment in technology is difficult.
Whether it's a one-person machine shop or a much larger facility, we just aim to be their trusted advisor.
That involves ongoing support between our consulting team, third parties, and our business development team to make sure that the manufacturers realize the benefits that they should from these improvements.
Catalyst Connection provides mini grants to assist manufacturers in making investments into automation and new technologies. One of those was Belleville International.
We were looking at further automation of what we do here. The problem we were hitting with just a robot is a robot can load and unload a machine, but it doesn't tell you if you're making a good part. The part that we added actually measures the parts once we're finished machining. We've been able to take that information, pass it back to the machine control, and adjust the part to 100% quality specification.
It actually improved our lives and allowed us to produce better parts, and then we're taking care of the customer even better.
It opened our eyes as far as capabilities are concerned.
Really helped take us to the next level.
Right. What we see is when people invest in these technologies, they're able to do more with their existing workforce, they're able to take on more work, and they typically end up hiring more in the end.
I like to say when manufacturers succeed, everyone in the community has the opportunity to prosper.